Hello everyone, I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video.
Hello everybody, I hope you're all having a good day. This is our room at Old Key West Resort, room 2726. We're on the second floor of building 27. So we'll go in the door here and see what the room looks like. This is a deluxe studio. You have two queen beds, a nightstand between, the phone, some outlets, USB ports, and new to us anyway is the Hey Disney, which is a Disney-fied version of Amazon Echo. I love that case though. Moving over this way, you have a chest, of course my fedora, a TV that is a smart TV. This is a connecting room that goes over into a one bedroom, so we don't know those people, we won't be going over there. A table and chairs, a balcony, but we'll get to that in a minute. Through this little entryway is the kitchen. You have a toaster and an ice bucket, microwave, pretty nice Cuisinart coffee maker. We do have a fridge that does have a freezer in it. Some cups and bowls and stuff. This is some under sink storage with extra supplies. And on this side we have a closet with some of our junk and cleaning supplies and the safe. And then on through this little passage we come to the bathroom. Nice vanity, couple of shelves for storage. I'm assuming this has some storage underneath as well. Oh, hairdryer. A mirror, hello. The necessary throne, as it were. It's kind of cool, there's a window in here that is frosted, but it does allow some light in. And the bathtub, nice, kind of reminiscent of the ocean type curtain, shower curtain. Do have some towels and hooks behind the door, and a little place to set your supplies if you bring them. They also have the provided shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in the pump bottles. There is a clothesline that pulls across right there, hang up your wet bathing suits, large shower head. So that just about solves the problem of where everything is. So now we need to get busy unpacking. Oh, wait a minute, we forgot the balcony. So we walk over here. What'd you do, lock me out?
There's no way to lock you out.
I guess I'll have to do some editing. This is our balcony. Couple of chairs. Comes fully equipped with a lorry. This is our view of the golf course. And it looks like there's some people out there playing right now. So that's our room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a magical day, and we'll see you next time.
This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.